What's good, people? I'm back again with another video, and just before I get into this video, I'd like to please request every single person watching, everyone tuned in, everyone viewing, whatever you want to call it, everyone to please like, please comment, please share, please subscribe. Very important. Let's grow this channel, man. Let's get some numbers up, man. Let's get some numbers up. I want to get to 5k ASAP. I should have been at 3k a long time ago. I'm still not even at 3k. Underrated, but we move, man. I got the content, I got everything. But sometimes it takes a bit longer for some people. But we move, man. It's cool. So once again, I got another Air Max 95, also known as a 110. You know how I do with the 100 pairs of Air Max 95s. So the box, simple, plain old box that needs to be changed. The red and white Nike sportswear box. We don't even need to talk about this too much, because really and truly, you've seen it 100 times. If you haven't, wow, that's all I'm going to say. So the most important bit is the label, the information. So it says Air Max 95, and then it says black DK Marina blue, so that just means dark Marina blue. And then it's a US 11, UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, and Europe 45. The style code number on that is DZ4511001, and as always, made in Indonesia. Let's get into the good bit. There we go, and I love that you can see the details just straight off the bat. But let's just get into this pair quickly. So the reason I bought this pair is because I wanted, every year I buy a pair of triple black, just the plain normal pair of triple black Air Max 95s just for the winter. So this winter I couldn't really find none online. I already went store and I totally forgot to get them. So I saw these online and I thought they're slightly different. It'll make a good review also, and why not? So just starting off at the bottom, I did notice quite a few dots, speckles and stuff. I'm not sure if they've been tried on. They kind of look like it. I'm getting more and more annoyed with the Nike quality controls and all that stuff, quality checks, because it's been an absolute shocker. But let me not rant too much. So the bottom is, the plain black, and then it's got the, instead of, this would normally be this will normally be black and white on an all black pair. This pair has just got a bit of blue on it, and it says Nike Air, so a bit of blue, white, and a Nike Air in black. Midsole similar to the triple black, or I should say same black, but then the bubbles on this pair are that dark Marina blue, which I actually quite like. The shade of blue. Blue is, I'd say, my favorite color, even though I'm way too old to be talking about favorite colors, but we move. Then at the bottom, it's black leather. It's kind of a slightly tumbled type of texture, but it's that that stiff. Then it's got a smooth leather. Then it's got that slightly tumbled style again with the blue swoosh. Then what I love about this one is it's got the 3M one. So usually this will be another material. This one's 3M. And as you can see, and I'm so happy you can actually see it on the camera, a bunch of swooshes. So that reflective 3M type. So it's a dark 3M. What I'm not happy about is all these little marks and stuff. I don't know if you lot can see that properly. That's actually the amazing QC, so that's actually glue marks and stuff. It's annoying, but this pair has to go back, man. I'm not keeping this pair, man. Look at that. I'll have to exchange it for another pair or something, because I'm not happy with this pair. And yeah, so it's got the black mesh toe box. It's got that black leather. It's not tumbled, it's slightly tumbled. And as you can see, lovely glue marks galore. So then coming on to the lace loops, it's got the black lace loops, 3M on the tongue, as always, or as pairs should have, and a nice Air Max logo in that blue and black, and it looks like a greyish circle around it. Same on this side with the 3 black leather, so kind of tumbled, smooth, tumbled, and then the 3M. On the back, it's got the Nike Air heel tab with the blue, lovely color blue. I'm not sure if they actually do shine or if it's 3M or whatever. Let's just double check. I'm not even sure, to be honest. Let's just take a picture and see. Live test. Oh, 1 second. I have to do a live test. Yeah. So that's 3M detailing, as you can see. The back is also 3M. It felt like 3M. It is 3M. We love that. Proper pops during the night, you know, winter. If you're walking around, it proper, well, it pops for other people. You can't really tell yourself, but in pictures and stuff, if you take a picture, that 3M pops, you know. It's always good to have a bit of 3M. It does definitely liven up some more boring sneakers. These I would class as the boring side, but I'm happy with them. Like, I'm happy that they're boring, as I just wanted a plain black pair really. With the blue, you know, it's still nice, like subtle boring. With the glue marks, I'm not happy at all. Honestly, like, there's so much glue marks even on the back, and I've had this on a lot of newer releases. Like, just so many glue marks everywhere. And come on, man, if you're paying the amount that they're charging, so 100, even it's got marks there, man, this pair is terrible and it needs to go back. Look at that, it's like a little scuff. So if you're paying £170 and you've got nothing but glue marks, of course you're going to be angry, man. So Nike definitely need to fix up their quality control, because I'm so close to just leaving Nike and going to another company. And what I hate is, you know, this is the most comfortable sneaker for me, so I'd hate to switch it up and change to another company and all that stuff. But yeah, this is definitely an amazing shoe, you know, like colorway, you know, amazing, boring but amazing, because, you know, it's always good to have subtle ones in the wardrobe. So this is going to be the winter beaters, or one of the winter beaters that I have. They're all Air Max 95s, but this is definitely going to go in. I definitely do love the all leather. I don't like all the, you know, the suedes and the nubucks on the 95s. I'm a straight leather non-stop. It's got the mesh, but that'll be waterproof definitely. But these are definitely the ones, you know, like the day-to-day ones. And we'll see how much they last, how long they last. Not this pair, because of all those QC flaws. Because of all the QC flaws, I'm getting distracted by looking at how much glue there is. Like, I keep seeing glue. That is shockingly bad. Oh, I didn't even talk about the laces, but as you know, 3M laces, yada yada. But yeah, people, that's enough of me rambling on. That's enough of my review. I'll be real, you know, quality is not the best, but if I was to say colorway, I'd give it probably a 9 out of 10. I really like them. Amazing shoe, subtle but amazing, you get me? So I'll call it amazing, because just little details, they're not the best, but I'll call them amazing regardless, man. Amazing winter pair, I should say. But definitely do love the colorway, the slight details, you know, the 3M panel with all the swooshes. Love the shade of blue, really nice color. And yeah, they're still subtle, even if they're not triple black, they're still basically close to a triple black by not being a triple black. And that's it from me for today. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out all of the releases. Click the bell icon so you watch every video. There's so many videos coming out that I've got in the pipeline. So much content for you guys. And yeah, wait a few moments for the on foot video as always. And most importantly, take care, people.